Hi Debayan, welcome to the fifth episode of Prep Shots. So how are you feeling?
I'm feeling awesome, Ivan. How are you today?
Oh, I'm feeling also fine. So please introduce yourself to the audience.
So, hi everyone. My name is Debayan. I did my engineering from Chennai in 2019, after which I worked in the US for about 4 years. Then I came back and worked in Kolkata for about a year before I got the great opportunity to join IIT Kharagpur for their MBA program.
Great. So you have 5 years of work experience, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Okay, so given the difficulty level of an exam like CAT, so please walk us through that how you have managed your time effectively between managing the work commitments as well as having your daily study preparations.
So for me, preparing for the CAT was more of a spot decision. I decided to give the CAT in August, and straight away, like it became very important to balance my current job with the work that I was putting in for the CAT preparation. Scheduling of the mocks on the weekends and when I had time offs and on hectic days, I had to make sure to give myself breaks so that I could get that mental refresh. Was really key in making sure that I prepared myself for D-Day.
Okay, so these were your strategies and techniques?
Yes, these are the key strategies and techniques that I used.
Okay, so which was your most favorite sections among all?
So for me, I really tried to do my best at VARC and Quant. Especially DILR for me was a little bit challenging to pick up in the short run. So I focused mostly on VARC and Quant.
So how many mocks you have given well through?
So overall, I've given more than 20 mocks.
And it helped?
It definitely helped.
Okay. And any sections additionally?
So I gave a few sectionals. I wish if I had time, I wish I had taken more sectionals for DILR.
Okay, great. So we all know that you have prior work experience. So what are the skills that you have gained from your work experience, like time management, etc., that helped you to have a prior knowledge and which helped you to excel in this CAT and work as a pivotal thing?
Right. So I think first of all was focusing on like what I could really achieve. Helped me in picking out the key questions that I could attempt in the section, because CAT is a kind of an exam that really relies on this sort of a strategy. Time management you mentioned, but I think more than time management, it was the ability to compartmentalize the sections. Like once VARC is over, you take a 2-minute breather, refresh yourself, then go into DILR. So that sort of a approach in which I could just take that 2-minute break to recharge myself, I think really helped me from my professional experience.
As you have told that you are not very doable in that DILR sections. So from coming back from the DILR sections, again attempting quant, because quant comes at the last. So how was you were able to manage that effect?
So definitely, yeah, my DLR section didn't go so well, but I calm myself down, kept my focus constant, and I was able to do very well in quant because I was in slot 3. Quant was also a very hard section, so I kind of went through the entire paper, picked out the questions that were very easy for me to start, and began to do that, and that really built my confidence back up and helped me do well in that section.
Yes, definitely. So your focus and calmness is a testament for your percentile.
Yep,
Thanks
definitely.
a lot.
Thank you so much, Ivan. Always great to chat with you.